issue of debentures issued as collateral. Debentures issued as collateral security. So what is collateral security? Collateral is additional security. Let us just take an example. Suppose XYZ company wants to raise a loan. It wants to raise a loan for maybe 50 lakhs. Against this loan, it has to give some security, and let us say it pledges its machinery. Against the security of machinery, it has taken a loan of 50 lakhs from a bank. In addition to this security, the company may also issue debentures. They issue debentures maybe for 50 lakhs, maybe for 60 lakhs, and these are given to the bank. So a loan has been taken for 50 lakhs. This loan is against an asset, maybe machinery in our example. In addition to that, the company has also issued debentures of 60 lakhs and handed it over to the bank. However, these debentures are only collateral security, they are only additional security. The bank will keep these debentures in the locker. These debentures can be used only if the company defaults on the interest payment or the repayment of the loan. The debentures otherwise have not actually been issued. No cash has been collected against the same. In a way, the debentures are not really live. The debentures will become active only if the bank exercises its option, which it can do only if the company defaults on payment of interest or on repayment of the loan taken. So an original loan with security has been taken, original loan of 50 lakhs against security of the machine. Debentures are only secondary security. Is interest paid on debentures? No, because the debentures have actually not been issued. They are not yet exercisable. They become live only after the company, only in case the company defaults on the payment of loan or interest and the bank wants to use the debentures, exercise the debentures. Debentures are exercisable therefore only on case of default of loan or interest payment. And repeat, interest is payable by the company only on the loan. There are actually no debentures. In such a scenario, what are the accounting entries? Frankly, for issuing debentures as collateral security, no entry needs to be passed, but because the debentures are not yet actually exercisable. They do not really exist. They have not yet become active. However, let us look at the accounting entries. The first method is not to pass any accounting entry, only to have a note to the balance sheet. This is a preferred way of treatment. It is best not to pass any entry since no debentures actually have been issued. Debentures are only held as collateral security. Another method is to debit the debenture suspense account and credit debentures account for issue of debentures as collateral security. So this is a debenture suspense account which is shown on the asset side of the balance sheet, and correspondingly the debentures are shown on the liability side. Let us consider these accounting treatments with the help of an example. XYZ Limited takes a loan from SBI for an amount of 20 lakhs. They issue 6% debentures of 30 lakhs as collateral security. How will these transactions be recorded? See, if we take the first method, there is no entry for issuing of the debentures as collateral security. Only the entry for taking of the bank loan, maybe bank account debit to bank loan, 20 lakhs an entry is passed. For issue of debentures as collateral security, there is no entry. But we need to show a note in the balance sheet. Let us see how this is reflected in the balance sheet. So in the balance sheet, all we have is long-term borrowings. This is the loan which has been taken, 20 lakhs. And maybe the amount in the cash in the bank is 20 lakhs. This is the extract of the balance sheet. And what do the notes to the balance sheet say? The notes to the balance sheet says long-term borrowings under secured loan. We have an SBI loan of 20 lakh and there is a note which says collaterally secured by the issue of 30,000 6% debentures of 100 each. This is the note. This is the accounting treatment. Let us consider the second method. We take the same example where loan has been taken for 20 lakh, 6% debentures of 30 lakhs have been issued as collateral security. For taking the loan, bank account debit to bank loan as in the previous case. Now we pass an entry for issue of debentures as collateral. Debenture suspense account debit 30 lakh to 6% debentures 30 lakh. This is the issue of 30,000, 6% debentures of 100 each only as collateral, What is the effect of these entries in the balance sheet? We see long-term borrowings of 50 lakhs. This long-term borrowing consists of the 20 lakhs loan taken from SBI and 30 lakhs debentures issued. And similarly, under other non-current asset, we have 30 lakhs, which is nothing but the debenture suspense account. And here this is cash at bank. Let us look at the notes to accounts. Here we have under long-term borrowings and under secured loan, we have an SBI loan of 20 lakh and the mortgage debenture, 6% mortgage debentures of 30 lakh. This was the total of 50 lakh that we had seen in the balance sheet. Similarly, you have again a debenture suspense account under other non-current asset. Debenture suspense account is shown under other non-current asset. That is 30 lakh. And what does the note say? It says issue of 30,000 6% first mortgage debentures of rupees 100 each as collateral security as per contra. Contra meaning the same thing exists on the other side. Therefore, this exists on the other side of the liability side, this 30 lakhs and this 30 lakhs, they are contra. Balance with banks of 20 lakhs. So these are two treatments. In the first case for issue of collateral security, we do not pass any accounting entry. Only below against the loan which has been taken, we write a note saying that so many debentures have been issued as collateral security. This is a more popular method. The second method is to pass an entry saying debentures account debit. So we create, saying debenture suspense account debit to debentures account. So we create a debenture account by crediting debenture, and to offset this, we create a debenture suspense account. Debenture suspense account appears on the asset side of the balance sheet and the debentures as usual under long-term borrowing under secured loan.